In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view a security code on Gmail on PC step by step so you can quickly find verification emails from websites, apps, and services without wasting time searching through your inbox. This is super useful if you're signing into a new device, resetting a password, or confirming your identity and you need that code fast. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser on your PC and go to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once the Gmail page loads, sign into the Google account where you expect the security code to arrive. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one Gmail address, because the code may have been sent to a different inbox than the one you usually use. After you're signed in, you'll land on your Gmail inbox. Now the next step is to check the right folder. Security codes and verification emails don't always land in the main inbox, so look in the inbox first. Then also check spam and promotions. If the message came from a website or automated system, Gmail may have placed it into one of those folders instead of the primary tab. If you still don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of Gmail. This is one of the fastest ways to find the message. Type search terms like verification code, security code, or even the name of the website or app that sent it. For example, if you requested a code from Google, Instagram, PayPal, Facebook, or another service, type that service name into the search box as well. Gmail will instantly filter your mail and show matching results. Once you see the email that contains the code, open it. Look through the message carefully because the code is often displayed near the top or inside a large bold number. In some emails, the security code may be labeled as a verification code, one-time code, sign-in code, or passcode. If there are multiple codes in the email, make sure you copy the correct one that matches the service you're using. Now simply highlight the code with your mouse, right-click if needed, and copy it. You can then paste it into the website or app that asks for the code. If the code expires, don't worry, just go back and request a new one if necessary. These codes are usually time-sensitive, so the sooner you enter it, the better. Here's a quick tip. If you receive codes often, it helps to keep Gmail open in one tab while you're logging in on another tab or on your phone. That way you can switch back and forth quickly without losing your place. Also, if you don't find the email after searching, refresh Gmail and check the spam folder one more time before requesting another code. And that's it. That's how to view a security code on Gmail on PC in just a few easy steps. You open Gmail, sign in, check the right folder, search using the right keywords, open the email, and copy the code. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.